Welcome to my kitchen. Today, on Cooking Show at Home, we're making a comforting and flavorful dish, stewed Cubanelle peppers with mushrooms and rice. Before we start, let me tell you a little about the star ingredient. A Cubanelle pepper is a long, thin, sweet pepper with very mild heat. Also called an Italian frying pepper, it has thin walls that cook quickly and a naturally sweet flavor that gets even better when fried or roasted. While usually picked and sold when green, Cubanelle peppers will turn yellow, orange, and even red when fully ripe. You can find a list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. Now, let's get cooking. First, peel the onion and dice it finely. Next, peel and grate the carrot. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the onion and carrot and sauté until softened. Now for the mushrooms. I'm using large portobellos today. Dice them, then add to the pan. Mince the garlic and add it along with the salt, sugar, thyme, and crushed black pepper. At the end, stir in the cooked rice. Mix well, then turn the heat off. Meanwhile, place a pot with about 5 cups of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Add the tomato sauce and a bay leaf. Cut the tops off the Cubanelle peppers, clean out the seeds, and stuff them with the rice mushroom mixture. Place the stuffed peppers into the pot. Once it returns to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let them simmer gently until the peppers are soft and juicy, about 25 to 30 minutes. Serve warm, garnished with fresh herbs if you like. Enjoy! And that's it! Stewed Cubanelle peppers with mushrooms and rice, tender, flavorful, and so comforting. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegetarian dishes from around the world.